This video will focus on where you can find help. With STU, obviously, there is this help menu, and by clicking on it, you will see buttons that will lead to various help contents. It includes request support, Benny's secret functions, FAQ, and movies. For example, by clicking on Benny's secret functions, you will come to this page on our Help Wiki website, which titled Benny's secret function. It is actually a guidance on how to define and use variables with STU. This FAQ button will take you to the FAQ page on our wiki like so. And of course, the movies button will take you to the page with the tutorial movies. The new request support at the top will be sending an email to the Argos Labs tech support team along with logs from Stu and Pam. It would open a support ticket for you, and our field tech support team will get back to you within 1 business day. Now, the next feature to get help is directly from these operations. Let's suppose I use this shortcut keys operation in my timeline and I don't know how to use it. Then, by just clicking on this question will lead you directly to the specific help contents about the specific operation. In this case, it goes straight to the shortcut keys help contents. Likewise, if I click on the question mark of the located image operation, it will come to the locate image online help page. There are additional question marks in STU. For example, inside text input, when you choose user variable like this, you will see a question mark over here. This is a local help or embedded help, and by clicking on it, you see a contents explaining what array means in the STU's variable scheme. Finally, this may not be exactly classified as help, but it's a tip to debug your automation scenario. And that shows up only when your bot failed at your test run. Let me intentionally fail my test by defining nothing in my shortcut key here. As you see, my test run fails and it gives you this pop-up screen titled, "Wondering why your window bot just failed?" And this gives you these 5 points that you should be quickly checking when your bot failed. It covers 5 points. 1. Windows focus, which means that you need to make sure that Windows operating system has your target application in the active status. 2. Delay means you have to make sure bot has enough delays between operations, as Windows is a very slow operating system. 3. We talk about the properties, such as folder names and file names. They have to define with accuracy, including upper lower cases in some of these operations. 4. It tells you to make certain the screen images are consistent with scenario, as the screen images can change. And finally 5, is to make sure to define enough timeout value. So, these are very frequently the reasons for your bot to fail.